Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with yet another haul, but this time it's a crop top haul. So after Shein, we all have struggled to find a website or an Instagram store where we can buy all of the cute clothing but in affordable prices. So I've got you girls all covered. I have bought few clothing from one Instagram store. The name is Nomad. I will leave the description, the link in the description box below. And mind you, this is not a paid promotion or anything. They have not paid me to promote their products or their website, but I fell in love with their website and their clothing. This is a video solely to put out all the cute clothing that I have got from this Instagram store and solely to help you girls out there. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the first top that I have got is actually what I'm wearing right now. It's this blue color princess cut satin top. It has got ruffles all over, and even the sleeves have got a little bit of ruffle thing going on. It is so comfortable to wear, and it is just a pretty color to just wear in day or night. You can wear it in the day, you can go to club, or you can just wear it for a coffee date with your girlfriend or whatever. It's just that top which goes in every situation, and you can carry it anywhere that you wish to wear. Top is this black top. This is a little longer in length. It is full sleeves and it has got a little tying wala detail at the end, so it looks really sporty, I mean casual really. And if you pair it up with a mother jeans, mom jeans or boyfriend jeans, it looks fab on it, because this is really like tight and nice fitted. The size that I've got is actually L. I thought it would be a little tight or something like that, so I got a little sized up, but I was wrong. I had to alter it all, and I have to alter this much from both the ends, so that was wrong on my part. I should have ordered a size medium, but anyhow, this top looks really fab. The second top is this top. It is same as the other one, the black one, but the only thing is I got this for the color. This color is so pretty. Like black is like casual all-time wear, but this I had to buy this for the color. It was actually a mistake on my end. Like I thought it was a whole different top, but I made a mistake that it was exactly like the black one, but I kept it because it is just so pretty. Again, I bought this one is also in L, and I got it altered. The next is this bottle green. I don't know what color is this, but this top, this is ribbed actually. This is sleeveless and it has got collar. This is also a lot in trend on mom jeans or boyfriend jeans. The girls wear this and I love it. I do not own a single color, a top that is this color, so I had to buy this top. The next is this pink color crop top. Again, this is ribbed and collared, and both of the tops, the green one and the pink one, are in the size M, and this fits me perfectly. This color is to die for. I love this pink, salmon pink I guess this is called, and you can just wear it for your casual outings and stuff. The next top is a tee actually. This, it says Cosmic, and it's all glitter. This is in the size M and this fits me so perfectly. I love this piece. The last and the final top is this black blouse. This is actually a blouse. I need to iron this. I'll show it in the clip how it looks exactly on me. This is a blouse. It has got buttons at the top, in the front. This is full sleeves, and again the ends are a little ruffled. This is like a typical crop top. The cloth is also like a cottony cloth and not the satin one. This is the only one which is in satin. But this the fitting of this top is a little off, I must say, because the front portion, the button up wala portion, leaves a little room, like a little space in between each button, and that is a little complicated to wear when you're out because you just feel uncomfortable while wearing it. But if you're cool with it, I think that top really looks nice on a denim, any blue or dark blue, navy blue, blue color denim. So guys, that's it for today's haul. Hope you liked all the tops that I showed you guys, and hope you guys like all these hauls that I'm bringing y'all. If you do, please do not forget to comment on this video, and obviously like, share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye, फिर मिलेंगे.